Yo, forget what rich people say. You want to get rich? Look at what rich people are doing. Look at what rich people are avoiding and then literally just copy paste onto your life. Here is the problem though. These rich people are literally only 1% of the population, which means 99% of you watching this right now only see the actions of middle class to poor men around you. So I'm gonna help you out. Today I'm gonna show you exactly what rich men never do so you can copy paste into your life and change it forever. Let's go. Number one, this is an important lesson I learned from the rich early on. Rich people don't work for money. See, this is the middle class conundrum. They believe that the only way to make money is to trade their time for it. And while yes, this is a great way to make a living and make money, what rich people found out is that money will work harder than the hours that you trade for it, and your money can make more money, even while you sleep, like literally. So I'm gonna need you to stop only thinking that you're gonna be trading your time for money, and instead I want you to grab that money and start trading it for more money through investments. Number two, rich people never save money. Now, let me clarify something. Yes, everybody should have an emergency fund 3 to 6 months, but apart from that, don't just start putting money on a little piggy bank or in a savings account. See, rich people don't do this because they realize their money is literally fading away. Their money is losing its value. Rich people know that saving money is not a smart financial decision. So instead of just letting your money sit in the bank, what the rich do is that they actually buy investments and assets that over time make more money. Number three, rich men don't only go to school. In other words, they don't only get their knowledge from what they learned in school. Almost every rich man that I've met self-educates. This is through reading books, taking courses, listening to podcasts. Why? Because this exposes you to new experiences, exposes you to new creativity that can be a catalyst for a new venture or a new investment or a new vehicle for you to learn how to make more money. These money-making opportunities you rarely will learn in school, whereas the poor person believes that once they're done with school, they never have to learn again. I want you to change that mentality. This is why I tell you, yo, check out our sponsor, Skillshare. Skillshare is probably one of the best online platforms to expand your skills and again, learn through new people, new experiences, and ignite your creativity so you can spot these business-making opportunities that you will never realize if you don't take that leap. And here's the thing, there really is no excuse. See, Skillshare is affordable. Literally, a year membership is about $10 a month. So instead of spending your time streaming and binge watching shows, why not spend your time literally engulfing yourself with new skills and joining a platform that is made for creatives to learn? On this platform, you're surrounded with millions of other creatives that are just like you, trying to learn and expand, and you're learning from business professionals in that field. Let me give you an example. They just dropped a new class called Video for Instagram, telling an engaging story in under 1 minute. Do you understand how many brands would pay you, if you owned an agency, if you could produce powerful, meaningful stories for their brand? Yo, that is an invaluable skill, an amazing asset, and you're learning it from a professional in the field. Her name is Halise. You can check it out. And the cool part is that you'll see other people that are in that class as well, learning along with you. Boys, I want you to join this amazing community. I want you to start exploring your possibilities. And like I told you, there is absolutely no excuse. So if you guys want to start learning, click the link down below. Here's the best part. I'm going to make it even better for you. For the first 1,000 guys, again, there's thousands of you watching this right now, so it is first come, first serve. I would be quick if you're that type of guy that wants to make a change in your life. For the first 1,000 to click the link down below, it's absolutely free. You have access to the entire site and to the entire library of high quality content to increase your skill set. Yo, this is free. This is why I say there is no excuse, and it's up to you taking that action and clicking that link down below. Number four, rich people don't try to get out of debt. See, let me explain. See, rich men and poor men see debt completely different. Poor men see debt as a burden that they need to pay down, while rich men see debt as a financial instrument to make more money. And this is because poor men use debt to purchase liabilities, such as maxing out your credit cards to buy the latest sneaker drop or designer, or buying a brand new car. All of these are depreciating liabilities. Whereas rich men pull out debt to start new businesses, to scale their business, to invest in real estate. In other words, they are using that debt to purchase assets which produce more money than the cost of the loan itself. Number 5, rich men rarely take vacations. Honestly, if ever, see, because rich men rarely take vacations for leisure. There's almost always some business tied into it. For myself, most of my vacations can't be more than like 3 to 4 days because I get eager to get back into the grind because my mind's going a million miles an hour knowing how many projects are running at all times. This is why most people tie some sort of business into their vacation so they can actually multitask, which is why rarely do rich people end up taking these days off. Which takes us on to number 6, rich people don't just wake up whenever. Almost every rich person that I know has a morning routine. You wanna know why? Because to be rich, most likely you're going to have discipline. And your morning routine, that's your foundation of the day. That's what lays the structure, the framework for the rest of your day. So if you can develop a solid morning routine and stick to that exact routine Monday through Sunday, chances are that discipline that you're building is gonna seep through other aspects of your life, including business. And finally, number 7, rich people don't try to impress others. See, rich people are so confident with the zeros in their bank account that honestly name brands mean nothing to them. They're not trying to purchase name brands to impress others. Poor people, however, are so quick to go and buy Gucci or Louis Vuitton or YSL or go lease that new BMW that they could not afford just to impress their friends and make them think that they're rich instead of actually trying to be rich. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Those are 7 things that rich people would never do. If you guys like this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to share this video because it helps your boy out. That's it for me today. See you next time.